Hey guys and gals, just a quick video. It's been a few days since I communicated, but just thinking about you guys, thinking about the environment that we're working in right now. And I think the number one thing that we have to remember right now, people are, they've got their walls up. You know, people are very defensive. They are in protection mode. They are in preservation mode. And the biggest thing that you need to be selling right now is trust. Okay. And in the old environment, the kind of trust that you were selling was whether or not you were capable of performing the job that they were hiring you for. Okay. That was the kind of trust that you needed to sell. They needed to be able to trust and know that you're capable of showing up on time, doing the repair, and taking care of them as a customer. Okay. That's what you needed to sell. That's the level of trust that you needed to sell. That's the kind of trust and the quality of trust that you needed to sell. That's the trust that they were buying, right? But in today's environment, the kind of trust that you need to sell and the kind of trust that they're looking for is, can they trust you to respect their home? Can they trust you to protect them from getting sick? Can they trust you to not bring contaminants into their home? Can they trust you to comply with the, WHO health requirements? That's the kind of trust that people are looking for in today's environment. And so, I would recommend when you answer the phone, the first thing you say is, Dan's Appliance Repair, what kind of problems are you having today? What kind of problems are your appliances giving you today? What kind of appliance is broken today? What kind of appliance can we help you fix today? Something like that, right? You let them know, hey, appliance repair. You ask them an engaging question. You get them to express their problem with the appliance. But then the next thing that you need to say is, anyone in the house been sick? Has anyone in the house been having symptoms of a fever or feeling under the weather? When you ask them that question, which is really the elephant in the room, right? When you ask them that question, you're conveying to them that you're taking this thing seriously. And if you're protecting yourself, then obviously that goes a long way for you protecting them as well. Okay. If you don't answer that question while you're on the phone, they're not going to book the job with you. Okay. So we've had a lot of clients lately talking about, in this environment, customers are calling, but they're not booking the jobs. This is why, okay? You need to be selling a new level of competence right now, okay? This is all about, are you competent enough to be able to run your business in a professional way, to keep them safe and to keep your technicians safe? Because, if somebody is afraid of this coronavirus and you're going from house to house, then in their mind, there's a high level of exposure there, okay? And if you don't answer that question on the phone and you don't let them know that you're taking every precaution to keep your technicians safe and to keep them safe, they're not going to trust you. And so if they're not booking the job, it's not because they don't need a repair. It's because they don't trust you, okay? So you have to be able to convey that trust over the phone when they call. And when you say, has anyone in your home been sick, or has anyone in your home shown symptoms or have a fever, then you're letting them know that you are taking precaution and that you can be trusted, okay? Just by asking that question. The next thing is, would you prefer us to wear gloves and a mask when we come repair your appliance? Okay? If they say yes, boom, you just sold the job right there. Would you like us to wear a mask and gloves when we come service your appliance? If they say yes, you just booked the job. If you don't ask them that question, they're not going to book the job. Okay? So take this as I'm not telling you exactly how to apply this. I'm sharing with you a principle, okay? Take this idea, package it in a way that suits you best, in a way that works for you best, but you have to be able to address that issue in a similar fashion as what I just described, okay? Rewind the video, watch it again. Has anyone in your home been sick? Has anyone been showing symptoms? Does anyone have a fever? Okay, that's a question you ask them. They're not going to be offended by that. They're going to appreciate you asking that question. And then the next question that you ask is, do you want us to wear gloves and a mask when we come repair your appliance? If they say yes, you just booked the job, okay? Don't skip that question. Ask that question exactly the way that I just worded it, okay? And I promise you, you're going to book the job. So let me know what you think in the comments, share your feedback, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.